In this video you'll find out how to make money through side hustle or part-time. These ideas can be done by anyone no matter what's your profession is or you are a student. So watch the complete video to get benefited. Also subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more useful tips. Hello. Tip number 1: freelancing. Offer your skills such as graphic designer, writing, or web development on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance. Tip number 2: pet sitting or dog walking. Care for pets while their owners are away is also a good option for making money. It won't take much time. Tip number 3: share your expertise or interests through a blog and monetize it with ads or affiliate marketing. Tip number 4: tutoring or instruction. Teach subjects you're knowledgeable in, either in person or online. It also increases your knowledge. Tip number 5: start a YouTube channel. Share your passion or expertise through videos and earn from ads or sponsorship. Tip number 6: become a rideshare driver. Use your car to earn money by driving for services like Uber or Lyft. Tip number 7: sell your own t-shirts. Design and sell custom t-shirts online. Tip number 8: deliver groceries and other items. Sign up with delivery services app and earn through it. Lastly, earn through trading. Gain your knowledge about online trading on genuine platforms like cryptocurrency and Binance. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more useful tips. Good luck.